Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You must understand the stakes first. 112 connects you to emergency services. Disabling it can endanger lives and is illegal in many jurisdictions. Once you consider changes, make sure to seek lawful alternatives. Do not attempt to block or remove emergency dialing. If you're concerned about accidental calls, you should address the root cause rather than removing access. I'll explain safe, legal options next and why each protects you and others. You can mitigate accidental calls without disabling 112. First, check your device for lock screen and emergency call timeout settings. These reduce false dials. Second, disable voice activation or change hotkey behavior in accessibility menus. This preserves emergency access while preventing accidents. Third, contact your carrier or local authority to request approved modifications or guidance. These options keep the finish by documenting what you changed and confirming emergency access still works in a lawful test. If accidental calls continue, escalate to carrier technical support or your communications regulator. They can apply permitted mitigations. If any party suggests you must disable 112, insist on written legal authorization before proceeding. Do not act on verbal requests. Troubleshooting tip. If settings revert or calls still occur, record timestamps and screenshots to provide evidence to support a safe, compliant fix.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.